Hello and welcome. I'm Donna Mejia, and I'm an associate professor of dance at the University of Colorado at Boulder. This workshop is called Key Concepts for Dance Researchers in the Age of Fusion. Now, whether or not you define yourself as a fusion dancer, the truth is the dance forms that we're studying here on the Datura website are a lineage that have evolved from a variety of different world concepts. So I think it's important to understand that no matter where you are in the continuum of researcher versus traditionalist, the truth is everything has been augmented by its contact with other cultures. And so we're going to just talk as if you are a researcher at heart. You may perceive yourself as a performer primarily or just a recreationalist, but every time you put that new dance information into your body, you are actually adding to the library of information that we're all going to be sharing for ages to come. And when that information passes through you, it transforms. So inevitably, you're a researcher. So I'm sorry, without necessarily intending to, you've become an ambassador for dance. So I hope this information is helpful to you in helping you understand how to really encounter the unknown and the unfamiliar in your practice.